The weatherman said there was a pretty good chance of a big one coming that night. Everybody in town was locking it down, closing shutters and finding flashlights. Oh, but Daddy's intuition was sharper than a knife. Said the rain don't come till the robin takes flight. And he smiled like he always does. We stayed out till the sun came up, and we counted our blessings one by one. And the wind and the thunder never did come. We sat there talking, laughing like fools. Nobody watching but the man in the moon. And the whole world slept that perfect night. I learned a little about living and a lot about life out there in the backyard. Just me and him and 538 stars. Some shimmered and shined like big diamond rings. Some sank into the Milky Way. Well, he told me about the one who led the three kings to the stable on Christmas Day. Yeah, he always made it easy for me to understand. Said we're all a part of a much bigger plan. And he smiled like he always does. We stayed out till the sun came up, and we counted our blessings one by one. And the wind and the thunder never did come. We just sat there talking, laughing like fools. Nobody watching but the man in the moon. And the whole world slept that perfect night. I learned a little about living and a lot about life out there in the backyard. Just me and him and 538 stars. We watched the world, just the two of us, like it always is, like it always was. And we counted our blessings one by one, and the wind and the thunder never did come. We just sat there talking, laughing like fools. Nobody watching but the man in the moon. And the whole world slept that perfect night. I learned a little about living, a lot about life out there in our backyard. Just me and him and 538 stars.
We close our eyes, and the world has turned around again. We close our eyes and dream. Another year has come and gone, when everybody was running in the big race and having a good time. Who might have cast a shadow? Who am I? I looked death in the face last night. I saw him in a mirror when he simply smiled. He told me not to worry. He told me just to take my time. We close our eyes, and the world has turned around again. We close our eyes and dream. Another year has come and gone. We close our eyes, and the world has turned around again. We close our eyes and dream. When if you come to me, when if you touch my hand, I might just slip away, I might just disappear. Who am I? And if you think I'm worth it, and if you think it's not too late, we might
star on my car and one on my chest, a gun on my hip and the right to arrest. I'm the guy who's the boss on this highway, so watch out what you're doing when you're driving my way. If you break the law, you'll hear from me, I know. I'm working for the state, I'm the highway patrol. Well, you know me when you see me, 'cause my door's painted white, with my siren a-screaming and my flashing red lights. I work all day and I work all night, just to keep in law and order, trying to do what's right. If I write you out a ticket, then you better drive slow. I'm just doing my job, I'm the highway patrol. I'm the highway patrol, the highway patrol. My hours are long and my pay is low, but I'll do my best to keep you driving slow. I'm just doing my job, I'm the highway patrol. Like you shouldn't do, you can bet your boots I'm coming after you. If you wanna race and get on the racetrack, 'cause when you try to run away, I'm gonna bring you back. I'm here to keep all the speeders driving slow. I'm just doing my job, I'm the highway patrol. I'm the highway patrol, the highway patrol. My hours are long and my pay is low, but I'll do my best to keep you driving slow. I'm just doing my job, I'm the highway patrol. I'm just doing my job, I'm the highway patrol. License, registration, and insurance. Do you have any idea how fast you were going?